This is our asset import template for WACS batch loader. Quick things to note before entering your data. Number 1. The top 3 orange lines should never be altered. These orange lines control our WACS data import process. If altered, the import will fail. Number 2. The grayed out areas are to be left alone. Our asset management team will populate these areas. And finally, number 3. All blue fields are to be filled out by you. Meaning, if you are a city employee or contractor, this area is for you. With that out of the way, let's focus on instructions of what data fields need populating. Let's zoom in a bit. Some areas will have existing examples with equipment information. These examples are to be deleted before you enter your data. Start data entry at C4. Zooming out. For every listed asset you have, try to fill all blue areas with data. If you can't find data for some of your assets' blue area fields, don't worry. Your asset management team can help you if needed. In closing, additional instructions are located on cell 1060. If you need a copy of our asset type or process number listings, please contact Harry Fry 808-768-4435 or Brian Hazen 808-768-4476.